Hello guys, today in new rubric what I have bought. So I bought a used festool jigsaw PSB 300. In future I think I will make a review for it. So for this jigsaw I bought blades. It's Milwaukee blades, a Pro Tool blades, it's a old blades, festool, different blades, and I think I will make a review with the jigsaw. And I bought a measure tape. It's a BMI Weiso with a window to measure inner size, and cheaper one BMI 3m2. So okay. Also I should bought a light. It's a LED light. It's a LED panel. I will install it at my floor, and I think I have more light. So it's my first video what I bought. In future I will make another one, and I think another and another. So enjoy my channel, and thank you very much.